Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brandon Meyer from Precision Power and Soundstream. I got some really cool features to show you about our V2 head unit. Stay tuned to this episode of Workshop. One of the most requested features to add to a Harley-Davidson head unit was to incorporate headsets or headphones to be able to listen to your music while you're on the road. So one of the cool features we've added to V2 is the ability to do just that. You can connect any aftermarket or Harley-Davidson OEM headsets to V2, as well as any Bluetooth earbud like AirPods or Google Buds.
To pair your helmet headset or Bluetooth headphones to V2, from the Apps menu, choose the Headset app. At the bottom, click Headsets list, then the pairing eyeglass at the top. Once V2 has successfully paired to your headset, you can choose to hear phone calls or navigation commands in the headsets while audio plays through the speakers, or you can choose to hear all the content through your headset. Helmet-to-helmet communications are still maintained by the manufacturer of the headset, or in the case of earbuds, you can choose intercom mode to communicate between rider and passenger.
Rally mode is an exciting new feature that you can broadcast your audio from your bike to anyone else's bike within a 300-foot radius, so everybody can rock out to the same concert-like experience.
To become a DJ for rally mode, first choose rally mode in the apps menu. Then, first change your name. Then select DJ under rally mode. To become a listener, choose listener and choose a device from the device list. Once it's chosen, select Rally Music Sharing.
Drag and drop icons is a great way to enhance the experience with your V2 by Soundstream. You can drag any icon from the submenu to the main menu for easy and quick access.
Adding an app to the main menu is actually really easy. First, open the app's main menu. Find the app you wish to relocate and click it with your finger. After a moment, the background will change to the main menu and you can drag the icon to one of the 6 locations at the bottom of the screen. Drag the icon to the desired location and let go.
Thanks for tuning in to today's workshop episode. I hope you learned a lot about Soundstream's V2 head unit. For more information, visit motorcycleaudio.com.